Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with seated sun salutations. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and release. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Adding on, inhale, lift through your heart, opening your arms wide. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue moving at your own pace, stretching through your arms, chest, shoulders, neck, and spine. Release and return to center. Moving into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, increasing circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower through your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, adding a leg extension, flexing through your heel, creating more mobility in your lower body, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. For more of a challenge, reach opposite hand to leg as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale at center, Exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this twist to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding a leg lift, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. As you bring opposite elbow towards opposite knee, inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your spine long, moving through your own range of motion, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and obliques. Continue here or adding a toe touch once again. Reach opposite hand to leg as you continue sitting tall, moving at your own pace. Pausing at center, adding a side bend variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen. And with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Transitioning into a lateral stretch variation. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing at the top, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left arm forward and your right arm back. Inhale to center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently twist, moving from your waist, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upwards, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Release and return to center. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm up and overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh. Continue flowing from right to left, moving slowly and gently, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing and upright, place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder to knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, creating more space and ease through your upper body. Stay connected to your smooth, even breath as you release, and step your feet back to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.